Well, hello and welcome back. If you are new to Move Over Mozart, then welcome. So we have been learning a new piece every day this month in December. So first things first, let's find out what piece we're going to be learning today. So for the 14th of December, we're going to be learning, let's find out, Joy to the World. Now, this piece is well known, and it was actually composed by George Frederick Handel. So this is going to be a wonderful piece, especially if you're just beginning piano. So before we go any further, I would like to introduce myself. I am Monta Monique, founder and creator of Move Over Mozart, the only place where you can learn music how you want, where you want, and when you want. So this is my little way of saying happy holidays from my family over at Move Over Mozart to your family. Now, in this little holiday challenge, don't worry, because some of the pieces are written for new beginners to piano or new beginners with a little bit of experience. And I promise you, there is some piece for everyone and a piece that everyone will enjoy playing. Now, I want you to make sure you download the free music I've created just for you right now, because you can follow along and play with me. Some of the pieces we're learning could be familiar to you, and some of the pieces might be new to you. So if you're really keen on learning a new piece, there is a lesson to accompany each piece, and I want to share with you quickly how we learn here at Move Over Mozart. So the first thing we do is we learn our right hand, and then we learn our left hand, and then we put our hands together. Now, at any point in the lesson, if you have a comment or question, you can always DM me or just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Now, because we are learning 25 songs in 25 days during the month of December, I suggest that you click the notification bell, because you will not want to miss one of these wonderful holiday pieces we're going to learn together. And of course, subscribe, because there are wonderful music tips and tricks just for you. You can also find me over at Instagram at #MoveOverMozart. So if you're ready, let's start making some wonderful holiday music together. Now, this piece, based on the composition by George Frederick Handel, Joy to the World.